Okay guys, I thought I'd do a quick review of the ECHO backpack blower that I recently bought. I got it for MSRP at my local ECHO dealer, which was $330. It's a little bit more expensive than that on Amazon, but I wanted to find a local dealer and just get it there at kind of a local shop. But it is a great backpack blower for DIY when you have kind of a bigger area to cover. Now, it's not the biggest model that ECHO makes, but it's a very good, powerful and comfortable blower. I mean, it's only 22 pounds. It's got a 58.2 cc engine. Some of the important statistics that I looked at is you want to really know what the CFM is. That's the cubic feet at the nozzle of the cubic feet per minute at the nozzle of the blower. And so this one has a 517 rating, I believe. So that's the amount of cubic feet you're going to blow per minute. And the miles per hour that comes out of the nozzle is 217, I believe, maybe 216. But it's very powerful. It's very comfortable to wear. I feel confident that this thing is going to last me a very long time. It takes a 50-to-1 gas to oil ratio, so that's something that works in a lot of your other power equipment as well. So it's easy to measure that. It's got a good sized fuel tank. It has a fan kind of on the back area, so if you get kind of hot and sweaty, that fan helps to cool your back off to keep it from sweating too much. The pads, the shoulder pads, are very well done. They're really thick and really comfortable. So even though that unit is 22 pounds, it doesn't feel like that. It's well balanced, and it's actually really fun to use. I used to have a little not a backpack, but a handheld blower. I still have it, and that's great for like driveways and things like that, and like small yards. But I really needed to upgrade, and you know, this yard here, back here, I mean, it's a solid. I mean, it's big. My property is 1 acre, and as you can see behind me, I've got a lot of leaves everywhere, and I kind of just try to keep them off the lawn if possible. But I just felt like I needed to upgrade, and it cuts my time down. This machine cuts my leaf blowing time down like in half, or maybe even into a third of the time that I was spending before. It's just so much more powerful than that handheld one, and it's just fun to use. So hope you enjoy some footage that I rounded up. This was taken about a week ago, and I was able to clean off my backyard in just a matter of 20 minutes or something, which used to take at least double that time. Hey guys, I'm just in my garage here, and as you can see, the model here, it's just a really good look, really clean. Here's the gas tanks, pretty sizable. I filled this up the last job I did on the entire front and backyard, and I was able to do it in under one of these fill-ups. So the gas tank's very generous. It's very easy to crank. You got your choke here and your pull cord here, and as I mentioned before, the pads are very well done. They're really thick and really provide a lot of comfort. And the nozzle here, which is cool, has the kind of metal tip to keep that from denting up and getting all ragged and rough over time. So it's just a really good looking unit, and thought I'd show you kind of up close what it looks like. But there's the model number there, the PB-580T. Just a quick little overview of what it looks like, and here's a good handle you can pick it up by if you need to. And the fan is back here as well to keep you cool. But great looking model. You've got the trigger here, can actually stay enabled on full blast if you want it to. It's kind of a locking mechanism. If you want to turn it all the way when you've got the trigger held in, it'll keep the trigger held in, and you can have it go on full blast without actually pulling in the trigger. It'll just stay put. So a lot of good features on this thing, but really excited about it, and just thought I'd show you up close kind of what it looks like.
Does anybody see any centipede grass around here anywhere? Tell you what, we are totally covered up. I cleaned this yard about 3 days ago, and as you can see, it's totally covered up. I can see a little centipede here and there. But we got to get this stuff off of here before it suffocates. This part of my yard here doesn't get much, but as you can see here, these trees, there's a beautiful maple right there, looking wonderful, but my yard gets totally covered up this time of year, and it'll probably be this way until Christmas. Today is November 19th, but look at all that. I mean, I've got a lot of work to do. We're gonna see what this ECHO PB-580T can do. Take a look. Alright guys, sorry for the noise, but as you can see here, I've got a ton of leaves. I'm going to clean this up. I just kind of wanted to show you what it looks like before, and I'll get a good shot of after. This area up here, this maple, dropping leaves like rain. I'm going to annihilate this in just a couple of minutes. Here we are with an after shot. I was able to do the entire yard in, I don't know, 20 minutes or less, which is amazing. My older handheld would take, I don't know, 45 minutes or double the time at least. So really good time savings, and just a great feeling that you can clean up your yard in a reasonable amount of time.